cooking demo, we are making cucumber chickpea salad. This recipe is super simple and super easy to throw together. Something that will be great for your lunch or great to make really quickly for dinner. Our featured item in this recipe is cucumbers. Cucumbers are made up of about 96% water, making them a great snack that will help keep you hydrated, especially in the summertime. Cucumbers contain small amounts of potassium, fiber, and vitamin C. Potassium is an important mineral for muscle control, including muscles that help control your heartbeat. Fiber is great for digestion and keeping your digestive tract healthy, and vitamin C is great for your immune system along with growth and development. For this recipe, you'll need one 15-ounce can of chickpeas, rinsed and drained. Now, they already come pre-cooked in the can, so if you decide to buy raw chickpeas, you'll need to cook them ahead of time. Chickpeas are a great source of fiber and protein, along with healthy fats. Next, you'll need about a half cup of chopped onion. Now, if you don't really like onion, you can add less, or you don't have to add it at all, or you can always add more onion. It's totally up to you. Onions are a great source of folic acid, which folic acid is great for helping our body make new healthy cells. Next, you'll need a half a cucumber diced. I already have a half a cucumber diced in my bowl, but I'm going to show you how I diced mine in just a minute. And then you'll need one tomato chopped. So I already have mine pre-chopped. Tomatoes are a great source of antioxidants, vitamin C, potassium, and vitamin K. You'll also need a quarter cup of Italian dressing. So whatever kind of Italian dressing you like. If you don't like Italian dressing, you could always do like oil and vinegar or some kind of olive oil mixture. It's totally up to you. And then we also have a quarter teaspoon of salt and pepper along with a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder. So that's just a little bit of seasoning. So this is how easy this recipe is. You just throw everything together in the bowl and mix it up, and it's super simple. So I've got my half a cucumber, and I'm going to add my chickpeas, add my half an onion, my tomato, and then this is my Italian dressing. I chose the zesty Italian. And then these are just my seasonings, my garlic powder, my salt, and pepper. So I'm just going to sprinkle that over that and mix everything together. Now, I love cucumber, so I'm going to add the full cucumber. The recipe only calls for half. That way it kind of gives a great balance between the cucumber, tomato, onion, and chickpeas. But I love cucumber, so I'm going to use the rest of this cucumber, and I'm going to show you guys how I cut it up. So first off, I took the entire cucumber, and I took a vegetable, like a skin peeler, to it. And as you can kind of see on these slices of cucumber, not all of the skin came off, which is totally fine with me. And then I just cut them into like big slices, and I left them thick just because I like to keep, or in my salad I like the cucumber to be like pretty big chunks, but you can always cut them smaller. And then from there I just dice it into smaller pieces. That way you get these little, almost like cube-like shaped cucumber. So that is simply all you do for this recipe. And then it talks about making sure that you keep it in the refrigerator, chill it before you serve it, all that kind of good stuff. And it's always best maybe to make it ahead of time a little bit. That way everything kind of gets a chance to soak together. So that's it for today's recipe. Like I said, super simple, easy, and delicious, and you can always modify it however you want.